0.001 divided by 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 5, 10. Okay, to find out the multiplication table of 2, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. 2 goes into 0 how many times? 0. 2 goes into 0 0 times. Write 0. 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times. Write 0. 2 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. 2 goes into 0 how many times? 0 times. Write 0. 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 1. Since 2 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 2. 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 1. Look, since this is a decimal number, so you can add tailing 0, any number of tailing 0. Bring down this 0. Now look, 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5 times. Write 5. This 5 will come over this 0. So 5 times 2, 10. If you subtract, you are getting 0. That is, your answer is 0.005.